and welcome to yet another tutorial. My name is Carolina, and in this tutorial I'll show you how to make this cute crop top using my new sewing pattern called Coco. You can buy this pattern from our shop on Etsy, and I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. To start, take front and back panels and sew them together wrong side to wrong side around half centimeter from the edge. Cut off seam allowance, but be careful not to cut the stitch line. Turn top to the wrong side and pin sides again. Then double fold the top edge twice, so it's approximately half centimeter wide, enough to later on insert the elastic. Then also double fold the bottom edge. Remember to leave a small gap close to the side seams. With top on the right side, measure even sections on where the shirring should be. I'll make a shirring every 2 centimeters since my top is 20 centimeters long, measuring from seam to seam. Use chalk to mark all the points, and then use a ruler to draw a straight line with chalk on the right side of the fabric. And repeat the same steps on the back of the top. Slowly wind the bobbin with elastic thread. You can do it by hand, but I prefer to use my sewing machine as it's just much faster. Just remember to not stretch the elastic when you do it. Insert the bobbin into the machine. Change the stitch length to 4.5 and thread tension to 7. Make a stitch line following the line we just made with chalk. Once you've finished, leave enough elastic thread at the end to then double tie both ends together. This process is a little bit long, so be patient and always make sure that you have enough elastic on your bobbin. Once you're finished, make sure that all two ends of the elastic are tied together. Wrap stretched elastic around your underarms and waist, and add 2 cm to that measurement to determine how much you'll need. My elastic for the UK size 8 will measure 61 cm for the underarm and 58 cm for the waist, as I want my crop top to be a little bit tight. Insert the elastic into the neckline and waist using a safety pin. Tie elastic ends together and cut off any extra. Then top stitch the gaps. And that's it, your own perfect cocoa top. Thanks for watching.